Hello, kindergarten scientists. You've done such a good job figuring out why the monarch caterpillars disappeared, but now we need to help make this garden a place where monarch caterpillars can live. And in order to do that, we're going to be learning the answer to this question. How do we make the garden a place where the monarch caterpillars can live again? Well, we're going to read a book in order to figure that out. Everybody, make a caterpillar with your body. Yeah. And we're going to read this book the way that scientists read in order to learn more and study these monarch caterpillars. This book is called Investigating Monarchs. We're going to learn all about the habitats that monarch caterpillars need. Okay. So here it is. I'm going to read this to you. And if you feel like reading this again, or hearing the story again, you can click on the slide in the lesson and touch the blue words to hear the video of this book being read again. Let's read this story. Okay. This picture shows a monarch caterpillar. Look how small it is, next to a monarch egg. The caterpillar just hatched, and it is very tiny. When a monarch caterpillar first hatches from an egg, it is very small. It is smaller than a grain of rice. A monarch caterpillar is an animal. Like all animals, caterpillars need to eat food to live and grow. Monarch caterpillars need to eat, but they are picky. They will only eat one kind of food, milkweed plants. The tiny monarch caterpillar eats milkweed leaves and grows bigger. It keeps eating milkweed, growing bigger and bigger every day. It eats and grows until one day it has eaten enough to change into... What do you think it changes into? Yeah, the monarch caterpillar is going to change into a butterfly. Monarch caterpillars turn into monarch butterflies. Wow, look at how different they look when they emerge from their cocoons. Before it can become a butterfly, a caterpillar needs to eat a lot of milkweed leaves. The habitat of monarch caterpillars must have milkweed plants. In the spring, all over the United States, caterpillars are eating milkweed leaves and becoming butterflies. So, I want you to be a caterpillar eating leaves. That's right. And after the caterpillar eats all those leaves, it has this energy in it. It actually makes a beautiful cocoon, also known as a chrysalis, where it gets ready to transform into the butterfly. But the butterfly needs to eat something else, something different than the caterpillar. Let's find out what they have to eat. Butterflies drink their food from flowers on many plants. Ooh, make a proboscis, which is the butterfly tongue, and I want you to hold the flower and drink the nectar from a flower. Good job. Once a monarch has become a butterfly, it no longer eats leaves. Monarch butterflies get the food they need by drinking nectar from flowers. The habitat of monarch butterflies must have many flowers with nectar. Monarch butterflies drink nectar from flowers all summer long. Ooh, so let's drink lots of nectar from flowers. Delicious. And this is a forest where monarch butterflies spend their winter. Wow, monarch butterflies, they fly, fly, fly far away. When winter comes, it gets too cold for monarch butterflies to live in the United States. Monarch butterflies fly a very long way to a forest in Mexico. This forest habitat has many trees that protect the butterflies from cold. Ooh. So we just read that monarch caterpillars turn into monarch butterflies. What else did we learn? Monarch caterpillars need to eat lots and lots of leaves. That's right. And eventually monarch caterpillars become monarch butterflies. Monarch caterpillars and monarch butterflies are both living things. They both need food in order to live, but they need to eat different things. What does the habitat of the monarch caterpillar need to have for them to eat? Show me, show me, show me, show me. Are they eating nectar from a flower or are they eating leaves? Oh yeah, become a caterpillar and eat some leaves. Good job. What does the habitat of the monarch butterfly need for them? Flap your wings. Move your little butterfly tongue and drink some nectar. You're right, it's nectar. Excellent job. This is so fun to learn about this, right? Well, guess what? I put a special video in your lesson that you can watch all about how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly, and I want you to watch that after you watch the Miss Suhan video. Okay, so now we're going to use our body to become the first stage of life for the monarch caterpillar. Are you ready? Everybody, become an egg. Okay, I want you to hug your knees to your chest. Ooh, say, I am a monarch egg. I am a monarch egg. That's right. And now you're going to hatch, 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 hatch. And you have become a caterpillar. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. You're a caterpillar and you're eating milkweed. So let's go. I want you to eat your milkweed. And you're growing and you're growing and you're growing. So you have to stretch out your legs. You're growing, growing, growing. Good job. Now you've had so much of that delicious milkweed leaves that you have been getting ready to be in your cocoon. So make your cocoon. You're changing, changing, changing. And you're ready to emerge. Show me your butterfly wings. Be a butterfly fluttering, fluttering, fluttering to a flower and drink your nectar. Ooh, delicious. It's so sweet and yummy. Amazing. And you've been drinking all of that wonderful nectar, and now you're ready to fly to Mexico to meet all of the butterflies that are hanging out in a warmer place in the Mexican butterfly forest. Oh, what an amazing thing to be a part of this migration of the butterflies. Scientists, I love that we got to pretend that we were caterpillars and butterflies. Well, guess what? Now you're going to draw monarch caterpillars eating milkweed plants and monarch butterflies eating the nectar, drinking the nectar from flowers. I can't wait to see your pictures. I hope you had fun acting that out with me. Mwah! Let me show you what your beautiful picture looks like. Ooh, Miss Sue, I made a special sheet for you. If you can print this, I want you to print it, but if you just have a piece of paper, that's perfectly wonderful too. I put a special friend on the sheet for you so you can remember what it looks like. Hello, monarch caterpillar. Wiggle like a monarch caterpillar. And hello, monarch butterfly. We love you. Awesome. I want you to draw the milkweed being eaten by the monarch caterpillar and the nectar, that sweet, delicious liquid, being sipped up by the monarch butterfly. Okay, scientist? I'm really excited to see your work, and I can't wait to see you soon.